What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to go ahead and use the Amali Organics Moisturize Me Leave-In Conditioner as a styler for my twist outs. So as you can see, I am going ahead and pouring it in all fours like usual. That's like the normal routine. Pour it in fours and it'll be easier for you. So I am pulling out the Amali Organic Moisturize Me Leave-In. As you can see, it is completely thick, and with my 4C hair, everything needs to be thick. So my hair definitely fell in love. It got so soft so quick, and the smell of it, of course, was amazing, you guys. So I'm just working it through all parts of my hair. I want to make sure it hits all parts for my twist out to come out beautiful. This is a new technique. I decided to see how my hair would do detangling it with my fingers first. Honestly, my hair just split apart. It wasn't really detangling. I think it was just the product. The product made it so smooth that detangling with my fingers was nothing. It did not take that long at all. And then I went ahead and did it with my denim brush, and then my denim brush just slid right through. So this product definitely had my hair feeling so good, and look at that. It just goes through so smooth. Yes. Alrighty, so now I'm preparing to do my twist. I did decide to do them medium to small just because I am clipping my ends after. It is that time of the month for me. I do need to clip my ends every 6 weeks. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. So I'm just twisting right now, and then I will show you guys how I clip my ends after. So these are my scissors. Those are my hair clipping scissors. As you can see, when your ends are stringy at the ends, it is time to cut that off. So I'm going ahead and just snipping it. It's not much, and boop, just like that, it's gone. And I'm going to do it for the second one. As you can see, now it's like a perfect curl at the end, and that's how all your ends should look. So I'm just going ahead and doing it to the next one. That one looks really bad though, so yeah, I need to cut that off. And just like that, it is gone. It's very easy for me to clip my ends. I do it all by myself. I don't go anywhere to get that done. Now, when I say I love my denim brush, I love my denim brush. Look at my curls. Like, look at this. I'm going to show you. Boom. Just like that. Boom. Look at those curls. Honestly, that is so satisfying to me. I love seeing my curls after brushing my hair. Look at my twist, you guys. I'm telling you, this leave-in conditioner is bomb, and my ends are beautiful. And now I'm just going to pull out some oil, avocado oil, and seal in all this moisture just to keep my hair all moisturized. I love avocado oil. If you have not used it, you definitely should. It is the next morning, so we're going to go ahead and unravel it. I am putting out my Amali refreshener oil just to give it a little bit of shine. Now let's just unravel. I've been waiting days to take these out, you guys. Days. It's something about taking out twists, and it's just so satisfying to me. So look at that. Look at that. You would think that I twisted my twist tight. I honestly did not. I did loose twists, and they just tighten up by themselves. Look at that definition. It's a beautiful thing. Like, Amali Organic leave-in conditioner, using it as a styler was the best choice I could have made. And now that I've finished untwisting them, I am pulling them apart just to give it a fuller look, and they honestly fell apart by themselves. Pulling it apart did not take any type of trouble. It's like they wanted to pull apart, and it was just so much fullness to it. My twists are amazing. I love Amali Organics, all her products, all of them, not just this one. They're all amazing. You guys should definitely check them out. I do have a discount code, and I will put it in the description below for you guys. You get 20% off, and if you are a Miami resident, shipping is free on top of that. So you're definitely saving a lot. Definitely check her out, you guys. My hair, it loves her, and it just loves her. I am done. I'm just going to hit my hair with that finishing touch by Amali Organics. It is an oil, so I'm just spraying a little more, shaking them out, and of course doing my little side part. I need my side part, you guys. So I'm just styling it a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.